Huwag ka na umiyak, baby. Oh. Umiyak yung totoo nating baby.
Oo naman yung baby natin.
Umiyak yung totoo naming baby.
Pakiusapan mo lang sa Sir Coxon.
Mamimiss ka namin.
Miss you, Renz!
Okay, thank you, Ren. Nakamiga. Napaka-hard ka kasi yung song, di ba? Parang makaka-review na.
Umiyak si May.
Alright,
Totoo, nag-break kayo.
for giving us a, napaka-dramatic na song. Pero, very meaningful naman yung song na yun, and everyone can relate. Okay, let's now proceed to the awarding of certificates.
Mamimiss ka.